this is some fine time to like jump into CyberTalents and check on the bash challenge that is called linuxcmd. So looking at the challenge description, you can see that each point is linked to another point. Connect the link and win the flag. So just gonna download this and save that in our temporary directory. Yeah, so since we have everything set up, we can like try to play around with this archive that we have downloaded from the challenge site. So we can extract its data using this command, and we can see the layout where we have one directory cat and we have a password which we don't know how we will like use it, and we have a zip file. So let's see. Yeah, and the password is quitty1245. Then we have a zip file. What you can do here, we can use a zip tool, zip utility to like see what is inside that zip archive. And we can see that nothing to do, zip error. So basically, I want to think this archive is kind of protected with a password. So we can use 7-zip to like extract that. And we are prompted for a password, so we can use this password because it's what we found, and we are seeing that everything is okay and it was extracted. So yeah, so what we can see is this is what we extracted. I don't know, let me check. Yeah, so we had exec.zip, and so we have exec somewhere we can like enter, and we have this executable which has executable bits. So let's see. So we get something like a password also. We're just going to make a new directory called ASCII. Okay, I want to join the dots. So this looks like exec, and we executed this, we got a password. So that looks like it relates. Then this archive is called ASCII. So basically, maybe we are looking for something like an ASCII or something of sort. So no problem. Let's just save this to our clipboard, then make a dir, and then what we can do is like we can move ASCII from where it is to our working directory. Yeah, and we get something here. So we get another archive called size 37. So I guess this is the like the hint for the next password. And for the ASCII, we see there's nothing there, so we are left to deal with these guys here. So we can see that the size differs. So how will we know where the password is? Because for instance, if you cut that, it's unreadable. So we can try file on everything, and we'll see file 6 has ASCII text. So let's cut file 6. Saving that to our clipboard, we have the password for the next level. So we can extract it from here. Let's just try to use unzip. We see unzip misbehaves, so can remove. Yeah, so let's just use 7-zip. Yeah, so that prompts for a password, and we have all this. So we want size 37. So what we can do is like we can list everything and check for the size at 37, which is test 5. So we have next.zip. So this hint is not clear, but okay. Yeah, so we can see that we have next, we have a file here, and then we have another archive here. So we are told next to CyberTalents. So let's try to find what is next to CyberTalents. And you can see order by lit is the password for next for number 1.zip. Yeah, and that works. We have another one that is called decodeme.zip. So let's use this. I believe one means the unique one, so I can just type that to unique and unique taxi. So all of these happen to like, so the way unique works is that if you don't like sort the elements first, it will like misbehave. So we can try to like now pass that to unique and we get infrastructure. So this is the password for the next level. Yeah, and that works fine. So we have something like decode me, and decode me2.zip archive. So let's cut the pass that looks like b64. Use me as password. Nice. So we can pipe that to our clipboard. Then and we have the flag.txt. So that doesn't look okay. So we can try like route that in. Okay, we have the flag. Another way we can like do that is using translate. So let's try that. Yeah, and that works as well. So see you next time.